How to make ginger beer at home. Ginger beer is a refreshing and spicy drink that's perfect for any occasion. And the best part is, you can make it at home with just a few ingredients. In this video, we'll show you how to make ginger beer from scratch. Ingredients: 1 cup of fresh ginger root, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of fresh lime juice, 8 cups of water, 1/4 of a teaspoon of active dry yeast. Glass bottles with airtight lids. Step 1. Prepare the ginger peel and grate the ginger root. You can use a grater or a food processor to do this. Once you have grated the ginger, put it in a large pot. Step 2. Add 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1/2 cup of fresh lime juice to the pot. Step 3. Add 8 cups of water to the pot and stir the mixture until the sugar has dissolved. Step 4. Bring the mixture to a boil over medium-high heat. Reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for 45 minutes. This will help the ginger flavor infuse into the mixture. Step 5. Once the 45 minutes is up, remove the pot from the heat and let the mixture cool to room temperature. Step 6. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of active dry yeast to the mixture and stir it in. Step 7. Using a funnel, pour the ginger beer into glass bottles with airtight lids. Step 8. Store the bottles in a dark, cool place for 2 to 3 days. This will allow the yeast to ferment the sugar, creating carbonation. Check the bottles regularly to ensure they are not overpressurizing. Step 9. Once the ginger beer has fermented, chill the bottles in the refrigerator. When you're ready to serve, open the bottle slowly as it may be carbonated, and pour the ginger beer into glasses. Give it a try and let us know how it turns out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more recipes and tips.